Sleeping Bird Doughnuts, Wilmington, Delaware. Oldest daughter Jordan's visiting, and we had a split decision on the donut. She liked it, I did not. The inside of the donut was like the inside of a cake. I like my donuts mushy. This was cakey, almost to the point of being dry. She likes her donuts crumbly, so she liked hers. Make sure you go on Facebook or Instagram to check if they're open because they will sell out and close much earlier than their hours posted on Google Maps. All right, luckily, oldest daughter Jordan's here. So we're giving this place a second shot. Sleeping Bird Donut, take two. Luckily, oldest daughter Jordan is visiting and insisted we try to go back.
I didn't insist.
Definitely a different, well, homemade, I don't know, kind of airy-ish. Got a nice crust on it. Airy-ish, not real doughy-ish. I think you can see in there where it's like flaky, airy and flaky. $4. You know I'm not a fan of $4.